This is my first time welding. We'll see how it works.
First timer.
Oh gosh, I see what you mean how you can't see anything. I'm trying to you can kind of see out of this little tiny not bad, but I realized that the head doesn't fit too well down in there.
Well, adjust it.
No, this, to get down in there and actually weld. Just do it the old-fashioned way. Probably look like an idiot.
Wears a helmet but doesn't use it.
Still kind of works your way through the eyelids, you know? Still kind of hits you. I mean, I don't know how much better we're going to get with that. Yeah!